Okay, let me show you how to put your live on private. Once you click here, you click on the middle button, you'll see the options. You start live, start one-on-one, start multi-beam. This one-on-one, you will stay there, but you're on private, nobody is seeing you. Nobody is seeing you, so you can choose to go there and stay and be waiting for calls, but you go stay there for hours, you no go receive any calls. Then they like make them see you live before they can decide to call you or not. So what you are going to do is, first of all, click on this live. Once you click on the live, then you will now click on this hand that is pointing here. Yeah, you click here. That's pop up. You click here. So these two options you choose. This first one, pay room per minute. Once you click on it, anybody that clicks on it, let's see, you're going to set a price for this. Let's say 500. I don't know if this 500 will go. You see now I'm on private live. So anybody that wants to join, as they click to join, this thing stop popping out. As they click to join, this thing will show, your 500 will show that they have joined. Once they click on it, it will just count directly in your wallet. See now, one person has joined me here. Hi, somebody has joined me. So it's for you to know who joined, if somebody has joined or not. You see number of people paying in the live, 1. So this one has showed as one person has joined me here, and the 500 gold has dropped for me. So that is how it is for this one. Then let's go to the other one. Let's close this one. End live. Then you go again, you go back again. Let's check this other one. So this other one is, you click on the same button and click on pay room live. This thing is stopping so much. What is it? No. Live must be 30 minutes. Well, I cannot even click this one because I cannot end it. See, they gave me a condition. Live must be 30 minutes. If less than 30 minutes, diamonds will be invalid. So there's a condition here. So once you click on this one, you must stay up to 30 minutes before you end it. Hello Abby, before you end it. So that is how it is. And for you to gain more, earn more in this app, you have to stay long. If you don't stay long, you're not going to get anything. So that is how to do it. Thank you.